Hello everyone, this is Sri Shaktivel. So this video is about I am planning to start one complete MySQL DBA course. This is actually batch 5 on coming December 10th. So I just thought to create one short video to explain what will be covered in the course. So this is this is for that. So this is actually completely hands-on demo um, course. So you may already see the videos in my YouTube channel. So the same way I will take the course, the entire course completely. It will be demo. We will be completely in the terminal only. Okay. So overall, I am planning 70 plus hours. You can reach me on this my email, WhatsApp, mobile if you want to. If you're planning to join the course, you can please reach me. Okay. And so this is about this is first we will see about some introduction, then different types of installation thing like a repository bundle binary, how to set up the startup script, how to debugging the installation errors, all these things will be covered. And the user management thing, how to create alter drop user management with roles and resource management for user plugins and related variables, user related variables, SSL, how to create and how to connect using the SSL certificates. And some config, how we can make the local config to log in without password. All these things will be covered in this session. And the MySQL upgrade, I will go through the minor and major version upgrade. Then we will go to the MySQL shell utility for the upgrade checker. Then we will also go through the PT upgrade utility to test the SQL statements. And also we will go with the in-place upgrade. This is also completely hands-on. And this is kind of architecture overview. We will see that basic logical architecture and the InnoDB architecture and the transaction flow, end to end, how the transaction flow, where are it is traveling like a buffer pool, undo log, redo log, buffers, caches, and finally the data file. So the entire flow will be covered. And this logging and concurrency. Here we will see the multi-version concurrency control, history length, how it is growing, what is the impact of history length, date logs, gap logs, shared and exclusive logs. And we will also go touch about the InnoDB status. We will try to understand the InnoDB status also. And this is kind of tuning, performance tuning. There we will mainly focus on three things: SQL and InnoDB and the OS optimization, OS latest swap, transparent huge pages, Gemalog, all these things, InnoDB important parameters, what is the best practice, and SQL wise, how to add the index, composite index, covering indexes, how to rewrite the query to improve the performance. We will go through the explain plan, partitioning, different types of partitioning, rewriting plugin. These all things will be covered in the performance tuning session. And replication, this is the asynchronous replication. We will go with the Winlog based and GTID based replication. Different setups like source replica, source, multi-source, and binary log, different formats, how to perform the point in time recovery, how to fix the replication error, GTID replication, how to perform the checksum, and how to sync. All these entire things will be covered in the replication session. And we are focusing three major backup tools: Percona Extra Backup, MyDumper, and the MySQLDump. So all this incremental compression backup, encryption, all these things will be covered for all these three backup utilities. And these are the some important tools I have written here to take it. So these all things will be covered in the in the demo basis. Maybe if you want to add to focus on other Percona tools also, that is also we will go through it on during the classes. And this is high availability part. There we will mostly cover the cluster technologies like Galera, InnoDB cluster, ReplicaSet group replication, and the semi-synchronous replication technology. How to set up how to configure, what are the important parameters, all these things will be covered. And proxies, MySQL router, MaxScale, and ProxySQL, where we will see how to perform switch overload balancing, all these things with all these three proxies in the asynchronous environment as well as the cluster-based environment. Okay. And finally, in the cloud, a little bit thought to touch the cloud as well. So it is growing high. So we will take a look at it, the Amazon RDS Aurora Cloud SQL, and how to perform this multi-availability, zone, and snapshot restore. All these things will be covered. Okay, so overall, I am planning overall 70 plus hours for this entire topic, and complete it will be demo. And the course timing, I am planning 7 p.m. IST to 8:30 p.m. IST, and weekly 4 classes like Tuesday to Friday. So hopefully, uh, it will be like mm, 2 to 3 months of course. So this is starting from 10th December 2025, and every sessions will be recorded and updated in the drive, and I will share the access to the drive for the lifetime access. And the entire course fee is 15,000 rupees INR. Yeah. And this is again, you can reach me if you are interested in this course, if you want to take it, and please share with your friends also who is learning MySQL. It would be helpful for me. Yeah, so that's it. So just share me your thoughts on this, or if you want to add some topics here, or what you overall thinking about it. If you're interested, please reach me on this contact details to enroll the course, and please share with your friends also. See you then. Bye.